drawing near, you never hear the shot that takes you down. Out of time, so say goodbye. What is yours now is mine, and I dream broken dreams. I make them come true. I make them for you.
De San Diego, dash up on the scene like the Brown Crusader, throwing up streets like Space Invaders. Too much damage for one to manage.
It's been a really just incredible ride. Ups and downs, a lot more ups than downs, and 2013 was easily my best year in professional wrestling, and I'm looking forward to 2014 being even better if that's possible. Yeah, I don't think we've really given them much of a choice, you know what I mean? When you go out there and tear the house down every single night and every show in every town from, you know, here to Wolverhampton, it doesn't matter, you know what I mean? We just tear it up, and we know wherever.
Well, it's a big show. Oh, it's a big bad show tonight. Oh, baby, come on. Oh, yeah, it's a big show. Oh, crank it up, turn on them lights, turn them on. Oh.
Thank you very much for having me. I always love that term legend. That just means I've been around for a while and survived attrition. So.
Something that you